Welcome, student. Uh, Already we completed this our syllabus for the unit test 1 from lesson number 1 to lesson number 8. Okay, so you have to write down all the exercise of these lessons, so you will get an idea about the unit test. Okay, and just we are going to start the revision lectures of unit 1, that is what a bird thought. After that we will continue with the revision lectures up to the 8th, that is the peer profile. Okay, so let us continue with, as a revision lecture. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Okay, so in this first stanza, the poet says that first I lived. That poet considered himself, first thing, that the poet considered himself as a bird. Okay, and as a bird he come out of his eggs, and after that he saw only his mother, and he think that the whole world is only mother. And after that, when he saw, after some time, when he grows a little better, so he saw a more and more areas where he lived, and the nest was on the green the tree, which has a full of leaves. So after that his thought about the world increases, his sight is enlarged, then he saw the different leaves and branches. So he start to think that the whole world is like this, only leaves. And when he tried to fly, after some time, then he go out of that tree and saw the whole sky, where he found did not any end to that sky. So the world is beyond his imagination. So he, after all, at the last time, he asked us, I don't know the what a really world is, can you tell me? He asked the questions in the last line, that can you tell me about the world, how big this world is. Okay, so here the concept of the growing bird is given. The concept of enlarging the sight of that child bird from his when he was in the eggs, and when he come out, his sight also increases, imagination also increases, but this world is experienced beyond his imagination. So in this poem, the poet says the thoughts of a little bird which changes in the course of time, and as he becomes a being. So this is the poem which gives an idea about the insight of the small little birds. In this, we have some exercise also about this poem, that you must write a short note on your imaginations from your baby, when you was a baby, when you was a little child, when you was in the school, high school, and then in the college. So you will increases your imaginations about the world. Your thought also widen about the imagination, about the world. So you have to write a short note on the thoughts of the um, of your own up to this childhood. And next you have to write down the imagination, like bird, about the fishes. Okay. So this is a beautiful poem. This is a beautiful poem through which poet put up an idea about the insight of growing insight and a growing bird, go, and his experiences through the pale blue shells up to the wide blue sky. So this is the revision concept. Okay, we completed this lesson, this poem. Next lesson is about the daydream and comedy writings. Comedy writing. So it comes through which the concept of the persons who imagine they are husband and wife, but they have an habit of just imagine. They imagine that they are going to herd lots of cows, and they will earn lots of monies through that, milking the cows. And the wife also started imagining about that cows who does not exist in a real, and they does not buy that cows yet. They started to imagine about the cow and earning the money, and having the different decisions about in the imagination, only imaginary. Okay, there is nothing in the facts. So this and they have started quarreling because their imaginations about the earning money, having money, it differs. As the lady or a wife of that person started to give a share of their cow to her sister, this decision did not like by the husband, so they started quarreling on the imaginary basis. But they thought that this is a real story, and the whole persons who are passing by look at them that they are started quarreling with each other. So there was one wise person, that is, his name is the Gopal Bhand. Okay, he go there to stop their quarreling, and he asked about the why they are quarreling, what is the reason behind it. When they say the detail of their quarreling, he also started to moving a stick into the air that is hurling that he is herding uh, the imaginary cows, and he are going to sticking the cows, that cows are destroy his beans field and cucumbers field. So beans and cucumbers, when the husband said, where is cucumber and beans, then Gopal Bhan said, where is your cows? And after that, husband and wife start laughing about their foolishness. So this is the basic concept or a basic story, which is a comedian writing, comedy writing, through which we enjoy the concept of daydreamings. Okay. Here is a web that makes up about the school as the equipments at the one side means this. As equipments at the one side, teachers, math subject examples are on the other. Timetable railway train journey which is reachable to school, these are on the other web, other line. Friends, games and play on the other line. So here is a web about the school. So, but student, you have to uh, make a web, such web uh, about a railway station, Okay. You have to make a web about railway stations. So you can have a five lines of the different element which has relations with the railway stations. So you can create this web of railway station. Okay. Now we are going to stop here. Okay. In the next lecture also we will continue with the another lesson and the grammar of that lesson. Okay.